Hey guys, Mark here from Mark's Whole Scale Trains. I just wanted to do a real quick video today just showing you where I'm headed. Actually, this little white sign on the left is going to give it away. This is Gardner the Train Doctor, or as we know it, I think you can see it there, Gargraves Trackage Corporation. This is where I get all of my track from. This is where the Gargraves track is manufactured here in North Rose, New York. I'm about 2.5 hours actually away from home. I was at a job site in about half hour from here, and figured if I'm that close, I'm stopping out. But I didn't get permission or ask for permission to video anything on the inside, so I won't do that today, but I'm just giving you the outside shots of where our track that we use is manufactured from Gargraves. So here we go. I just wanted to show you guys the outside of it. Again, North Rose, New York, about 20 degrees today on this beautiful winter's day. Okay, so again, I'm not going to film on the inside, but I figured I would just actually show you guys walking up to Gargraves. And this is where I get a lot of my stuff. I have a lot of my stuff ordered from Mike here out of the new catalog as well. I got a couple things. I think I might have a couple things here today, but I'm not sure. But I'll try to swap the camera around. And actually, I'm not going to be able to do that right from this screen. But anyway, we will see you guys afterwards, maybe. All right, so I did pick up a couple things that I'll show you here in a second from Mike here at Gargraves, and one of them was a WTIU DCS remote cable for the remote control to hook into the new WTIU base, so that you can actually use the handheld remote if you wanted. I had pre-ordered this a long time ago, but I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. So here it is here. This is the WTIU cable. I'll throw you the part number. It's 50-1041. It is the WTIU DCS remote cable. Connects original DCS remote to the WTIU, and the length is 2 to 10 feet. I wish it was a little bit longer, but anyway, that's one thing I did pick up. And then one of my favorite scents for smoke is this here. This is maple syrup. This is by Lionel. I pick this up whenever I'm around. I'll grab a bottle of this because it really actually smells pretty nice. And then the last thing I did get was a Lionel boxcar. This is a, let me turn it the right way. So this is the Lionel. It's a rail box graffiti car that I got. And the, I don't know if I'm even be able to see the part number on it here, because it's still in the package, but sorry for jumbling you around. But anyway, maybe I'll show it on the track later on. But that's what I picked up today from Gargraves here in North Rose, New York. Okay, so here it is on the layout. We have it out of the box. This is weathered and has graffiti on it. This is the first boxcar with graffiti that I do have on the layout. And I think they did a pretty nice job with this. It looks really pretty good. The part number from Lionel is 254302. This is a 50-foot rail boxcar. And I do like it. It looks pretty nice. Probably have to add a couple more of these. And then we've got the addition of the MTH WTIU cable for the remote. For those of you that are a fan of the remote, I've been using the app ever since I put the WTIU on the layout, which is not compatible with the remote unless you have this tether. And I've gotten used to the app and I actually kind of like it. But like everything, I'm going to order. If this was coming out, I had this thing pre-ordered from when they announced it. But it does allow you to use the remote control. Plugs in the back of the WTIU via USB. And then it's a 2-foot to 10-foot coil cord. Plugs into the bottom of the remote. And then I have the engine. It's the Union Pacific engine over there. That if I do press the startup button on it. It starts the engine, and you can now use this remote with your WTIU. There you go. There you have it. And then you can just do all the features with everything on the remote. It just now connects this to your WTIU. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you don't mind, like and subscribe. I always like to see new subscribers as well. Keeps me wanting to do these videos. But if you have any questions, please reach out. Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.